How to reduce belly fat for women at home in 7 days. A fat belly is linked to various diseases as it is the most harmful fat in your body. Aside from working out, avoiding junk food and alcohol are among the ways to get a flat belly. Additionally, check out these tips for how to burn belly fat in less than a week. 1. Include aerobic exercises in your daily routine. If you want to burn fat fast, there is no getting around cardio training. Studies find that this is the most effective form of exercise to reduce belly fat. By burning many calories, your general health will improve. Hence, start doing high-intensity workouts of running, swimming or aerobic classes, but keep in mind that frequency and duration are essential for satisfying results. 2. Reduce refined carbs. One should avoid consuming refined carbs to lose fat around the abdominal area and have good metabolic health. It is not necessary to stick to a strict low-carb diet, however, it should be replaced with unprocessed carbs. Instead of white bread, white rice and sodas, eat more vegetables and whole grains. Read also, 6 reasons why you still have a fat belly despite exercising. 3. Add fatty fish to your diet. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines or tuna is a high-quality protein and rich in omega-3 acids. By eating 2 to 3 portions a week, you can reduce the risk of illnesses like heart disease and also burn your belly fat. Studies revealed that omega-3 fats have the ability to reduce visceral fat that is around your abdomen. 4. Start the day with a high-protein breakfast. Start your day with some Greek yogurt, protein smoothies, scrambled egg whites or porridge. After eating proteins in the morning, you will feel full until lunch without any hunger pangs. Proteins increase your metabolic rate while retaining muscle mass during weight loss. You can also add proteins such as eggs, fish, chicken, beans or dairy in every other meal. 5. Drink enough water. Even if you don't want to lose weight, staying hydrated is important for your general health. Drinking 4 to 5 liters of water each day is recommended and will burn more calories. Also, drinking right before eating reduces your appetite as well as calorie intake. Make sure to avoid any other beverages containing lots of sugars and calories. Drinking warm water with lemon in the morning on an empty stomach helps kickstart your metabolism and digestive system as well. 6. Reduce your salt intake. Consumed salt retains water and makes your belly feels bloated. Before making a purchase, always make sure the nutrition label does not mention high sodium levels, since processed food consists of salt, added sugar and unhealthy fats. 7. Consume soluble fiber. Similar to proteins, soluble fibers make you feel full for a few hours so that you don't have to consume unneeded extra calories in your meal. Soluble fibers absorb water and form a gel that lowers fat absorption, a good thing for someone seeking to lose weight. You can find them in barley, nuts, seeds, beans, and lentils. Sop Kes. Check link in the description. You will find some best ways how to reduce belly fat for women at home in 7 days.